Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. As promised, I'm going to show you guys today how to make the dried grapefruit ornaments. Super simple, super easy. I got a bag of grapefruits at Walmart. And I have a really sharp knife. And first I'm just gonna slice off the end. Because honestly, like, you won't get anything from that, so that's just trash. And then you're gonna do like 1/4 inch slices. You want them thin, but you don't want them too thin that they burn up in the oven. And then when you want your rim to be a decent size, so like this doesn't break through. So that one's really a no good too, because it's just like that. Sometimes you get 2 of those no good ones. Then you just keep slicing. Slide back a little so y'all can see better. Slice all the way through. But here are all the slices. And I'm going to take them on my cutting board and just lay them out flat. And then you grab a cloth or paper towel, but cloth is better for the environment, and a rolling pin. This is the trick to get them to dry out really well. You want to get all the juice out that you can, so roll them and smush them. So now that they're like super smushed and majority of the juice is out, we're going to put them in the oven. Now you put them on the oven rack, like straight in there. Hey Buggy. Hey. So I have my oven set on 200. I have them straight on the racks. You'll do them in the oven for 2 hours on this side, then you flip them over and do 2 hours on the other side, and that's 200 degrees. So let's get them cooking. Don't use your hands like I was trying to do, and flip them over. Crap. Hey you guys, it's the day after I dried the grapefruits. So I let them sit out overnight to cool. They turned out great. Instead of just cooking them 2 hours after I flipped them, I went ahead and cooked them for 3 so that I could have them a little more brown to give the tree a little more dimension besides the really pink ones. Also, I'm gonna link everything in the comments below so that you guys can have all the information as far as oven temp, times, all that stuff. So everything will be below. You can also get more information on my blog, carolinelael.com. I'm going to do a blog post about it. Also, I'm going to link everything in the LIKEtoKNOW.it app, so you can head over there and give me a follow, and you can follow me on my Instagram page, carolinelael. So, all that information will be below as well. So, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Tag me if you recreate these dried grapefruits. Thank you for watching. See you soon.